391 tons. Successfully put this white one from the 1980s, climbing the little sports car. A friend of Shijejoga sent me a picture saying he had one there. Flip over little sports car from the 70s. I saw it was a 3 generations of Accord. This is not the 70s. This is a classic climb from the 1980s, boarding a small sports car. It's a pity he's just front drive, not rear drive. It would be great if it had a rear drive. But it's a classic, so decided to take it back. The interior of this car is a mess. Some accessories. I don't know. Is it in the car or not? But to be honest, something in here is really... It's a lot, whether it's useful or useless. It's all in there. It's a lot of mess. Fortunately, there is a surprise. It's the original car owner who found the car keys. That's a happy thing. A big surprise. And then, look at the engine of this car. It feels like, although there is a lot of soil in the cabin, but it's complete, this is the line. Yeah, it doesn't feel so messy. Do you feel it when you repair a car normally? You can feel the smell of him wanting a car before you get home. After waiting for a while, I finally loaded him into the car. I feel these days, it's going so fast, it's non-stop. I finally got home when I was late. Take this big white sports car from the 1980s. Used at home? Okay, come to live again. Fight for him. Give him a day. Do it. You get up early the next morning. Start packing. The big sports car of the 1980s in my heart. Really happy to buy one. Police version from the 1980s. Climbing bike? It's really interesting. We don't want to wait a moment. Let's hurry up. Fuck him. Let's take a look at this flower pot. A bunch of vacuum tubes. My head hurts when I look at them. Have a bad feeling? In case any small tube and small line are broken? Another headache. I guess I can't get it this day. Look at this cauliflower. It's full of eggs. I guess the burning is not very good. So let's tear down all the cauliflower for it. Look at this cauliflower. It's all scrapped. Let's replace it all with a new one. Let's solve the problems one by one. No car we can't get. Just enough time, energy, and patience. You must be able to do it. We still keep the old rules. All are oiled for easy lubrication. It is not easy to pull up the heat pipe and dismantle. Come down and prevent dirty oil from entering the chemical zone. Battery card. Ruined. Look at this pile of debts. Borrow the mess and give him a good stroke. Replace all the boxes with new ones for him. After replacing the battery clip with me, put this fully charged battery. Check the oil before taking a taxi. Okay, this oil is fine, it's him. Okay, let's get ready to take a taxi. Riding and flying, but he can't move. Hey, it must be late. Or is there a problem with the wiring? Let's cut the overall line well for it. Open it. See what the specific problem is. Through the night down. Oh yeah, look at this insurance he melts. It should be his problem if it is broken. How to replace him with a new one? Come and try. I can do it again. Okay, no problem. What's our slogan? If you can turn, you can go. If we can turn it, we can do it for him. Hey, see? That's a happy thing to do. He also has this fire. Hey, give him a new one. Get ready. Get out of the car and see if you can do it for him. Go ahead. Just started a hydrogen spray. There are signs of moves, but the further back, the less I feel like recruiting a car. Let's put the spark plug, take it off and check it. See if it's a spark plug problem. Look at this dark. Should be oil. The mixture with carbon deposits mushed the flower plug to death. Okay, let's clean it and put it back. It should be almost there. Look here. There is something wrong with this makeup device. Show me later that the oil is full. From the 80s. 3 generations of makeup devices at the root. Oops, I have a headache when I think about it. Where can I buy it? Let's remove the flowering period for him. Check it out. What exactly is the problem? Look at this oil needle. If this position gets stuck, it will also cause oil leakage. Put each hole of the makeup device. Clean it up with all the details. After 2 hours of unremitting efforts, finally put this flowering period. Cleaning completed. Okay, let's try it and see how it works. Let's try driving. I finally found it. And turn on the light. Hey, I go. One light is on and one light is not on. Oh, no more. Why can't I go back here? I have to rest tomorrow. Don't wait. That's it for today. Do it tomorrow. The mailbox is here. Heat your knife first. Get it out, oops. Basin shovel. Thomas, hey, my flower pot scared me. It's all rubbish. Get out, okay. Ouch. There's a spare tire here. Okay. Tourist gun in that location. Is there a gun? Next, leak the fuel tank. Clean it all up. Hey, is it oiled? Okay, there's not much problem with this oil. Just hook it up to YouTube. Next, give him all the oil and water in the whole car and just change oil antifreeze. Everything. Check it out for him. There you go. Come to fight. Don't while... Wow. Very silky. Very stable when heated. Hey. Okay, no problem. Train bar. Is there any problem with the engine? The next step is to turn on the lights. 2 headlights you can jump. Get up, but it's headlights. None of them are on, just fixed it. Yes, there is another light that can be turned on, but then he died. So next. Give him a new one. I replaced these 2 headlights in a while. Come in and give this car a good wash. This car probably hasn't had a bath in more than 10 years. Okay, wash all the old dirt you wipe off. Effect after washing. If you are not satisfied, the surface is full of mud. Can't get this place off. We can only use my super invincible trick. Polish it. In a while, the lid of the machine will be ready. Look, the effect is still very good.